beauty enthusiasts, stop settling for almost perfect lip colors. We all know the struggle of finding that one perfect shade. Well, it's time to take control of your makeup bag. Meet the revolutionary DIY lipstick maker, the ultimate gadget for color customization. This kit puts the power of creation right into your hands. Mix your own pigments, adjust the formula format or glossy finishes, and pour your dream shade. It's chemistry. But make it glamorous, no more guessing games at the beauty counter. Imagine creating a perfect nude for work, a vibrant red for date night, or even a bold purple for a festival. The possibilities are endless. Not only is this fun, but it's incredibly practical. You control the ingredients, ensuring quality while saving a fortune on expensive brand name makeup. Think of the money you'll save. This is more than just a gadget. It's an experience. It's perfect for bonding with friends, an amazing gift idea, or just enjoying some satisfying self-care time.